Going slightly downhill. Just a little bit. What do you want to do, man? You can get around over there? Standing right where I pulled 2 fish out of. Yeah. Jerk. You got a pike on the string over there?
Huh? Yeah, you got a pike on the
Nice. Huh. It's boring though, dude. They're sitting there with bobbers. Come on.
Huh?
They're sitting there with bobbers.
Yeah.
How do you want to do it?
It's shallowest right where them sticks are. There's a sandbank right there.
That's what I was saying earlier. We can get around that.
It's a matter of crossing here.
Yeah, it's right there, man. Got it.
Already right here.
Yeah.
What does that say? Catch and release right where trout. Can't keep trout. Damn.
I'm gonna pop this worm over here right now.
See them swirls right there? That's an eddy.
Yeah.
Yeah, big swirls. You see them going
Yeah.
around in circles? Fish love those.
Shouldn't have worn white shoes. That's a fucking smart move. Good job. Yeah. That fit. That's fish, Jimmy.
No.
Yep. We got a fish on already. Oh no, man, he came off. He came off, dude. It was a smallie, dude. It was a smallie. Did you see my rod?
Dude.
That was a pull. That was a hard pull, dude. I'm getting hung up really bad, but I'm pulling them free every time.
Yeah, so am I.
It's be real thick weeds. Yeah. There we go. Just stay on this time. It's nice, Jim, whatever the hell this is.
Come on, Smalley.
Come on, man. This better be a smallmouth. I just really hope he stays on. Get the, can you get the scale out of my backpack? Oh, no, 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 no. No, did he just, oh, he's still on. Is he still on or am I stag now? No fucking way. I didn't see it, dude. He jumped. Did you see what it was? Dude, he jumped. It had to be a bass, dude. Worried about a 3-pound smallmouth on a fucking 17-pound test line. Oh, here we go, dude, right here. He came out of nowhere, man. Holy shit. All right, a little largemouth. Tiny ass little thing. Ain't even worth looking at. Free lure though. There we go. Oh man, dude. Oh, what the hell, dude? Oh, you did. I don't know what it is. I think so. It is. It's a smallmouth. It's fucking tiny though. He's tail hooked, dude. Stop moving. Oh shit, dude. He's hooked right to the tail. He flipped around. You see it?
Yeah, that's a smallmouth all day.
Oh, seriously? Oh shit. Oh, you're alright. You can get that out.
Oh, yeah, there's only 2 now.
Here, I'll take a picture for your first smallmouth this year. Dude, they're all dinks, but whatever, man. We came here to catch smallmouth, and we're doing just that.
That's all that matters. We're putting our knowledge to the test and we're catch.
Hey, we said we're gonna come here and catch smallmouth.
Yep.
That's what we're doing. Is it a fish on right now? It's a fish on. I think so. Yep. Yeah, we got one.
What are you using?
XR6.
That's a smallmouth, looks like.
Yeah. Yep, I think so. Come on. No, it's a smallie, Jim. It's a smallie. It's a smallie. Hook him right out. It's tiny. It's small though.